Welcome! In this short video, we'll show you how to change the maintenance cartridge and shaft cleaner on the Canon imagePROGRAF iPF8400S. This procedure also applies to the imagePROGRAF iPF8400, 9400, and 9400S. We begin with preparing the new maintenance cartridge. In the box, you'll find instructions, a sealable plastic bag, a small box containing the shaft cleaner, and of course, the new maintenance cartridge. Now remove the new maintenance cartridge completely from its packaging. Don't dispose of the packaging because we will use it to repackage the used cartridge. Now open the smaller box containing the shaft cleaner. Then remove the shaft cleaner from its packaging. Now at the imagePROGRAF display screen, press the right arrow 3 times. This brings you to the Settings and Adjustment menu. Now press the down arrow twice to the word Maintenance and click OK. Then press the down arrow 3 times until you reach the words Replace Maintenance Cartridge. Click the OK button in the center. From here, the display screen gives you step-by-step instructions to replace the maintenance cartridge. Now remove the used maintenance cartridge. Repackage the used cartridge using the existing packaging. Now keep the new maintenance cartridge level and insert it all the way in. Then close the cover. Next, we will replace the shaft cleaner. The screen will ask if you want to replace the shaft cleaner. Select Yes. In a few moments, the display screen will instruct you to open the upper cover. After you open the upper cover, the display screen will then instruct you to replace the shaft cleaner. Reach into the right side of this blue assembly and remove the used shaft cleaner like this. Then replace it with the new shaft cleaner. Now close the cover. Then wait a few moments while the imagePROGRAF initializes the new parts. All done. For other helpful information on the maintenance of your Canon imagePROGRAF large format printer, browse through our Canon USA YouTube channel or visit us at usa.canon.com.